why debacle means a great disaster or a complete failure. In this video, why debacle will be used. Watch this video carefully.
It hasn't worked out very well for the Congress party for the last 2-3 years at least. We're talking about what's happened electorally, and every single time there has been an electoral debacle, the party has been quick to jump up.
In West Bengal, in Bihar?
One second.
Who was leader of opposition in West Bengal?
We've talked about Delhi, Haryana, Maharashtra,
Janta. Leader of opposition.
One second. Shamit Patra coming to you, but coming to you, Dr. Patra. But Tehseen, the point I'm trying to make is that every single time Rahul Gandhi has been projected at the forefront, starting from the Lok Sabha elections also, you have only seen electoral disasters.
That's not true.
Well, if you want to point out one among many.
West Bengal, leader of opposition. Bihar, you're in power.
How many seats in the Lok Sabha?
And when the BJP got 3 seats in Delhi,
the lowest tally ever.
Prime Minister Modi?
Come on.
Have you asked Prime Minister Modi to resign?
This is exactly the problem. If the Congress party is not going to acknowledge the fact that they have had electoral disasters in the last 2-3 years, therein lies the problem. But Shamit Patra, Shamit Patra coming to you.
Modi's loss?
One second, Shamit Patra coming to you. So the point is that it does seem that even among Congress people and Congress cadres, they believe that Priyanka can bring more to the table. Does it suit the BJP if she chooses to be, as you say, a part-time politician, if she chooses to be someone who stays in the background and only comes out to campaign in Amethi and Raebareli? Does it suit the BJP?